Why e be say na bad bad thing, yeye thing wey no make sense now una dey mostly get interest for? Why? Why? Dis one na one big question wey dey my mind all dis while to ask una. But before we get into dis story, into dis gist, me I first wish una happy new year. Like happy new year you guys. I thank God for bringing us through the year 2025 to 2026, and this year shall be a blessing and every good thing we wish for in Jesus name. Of course, so I don't turn pastor. So I decided to take you guys along as I get ready today. It's going to consist of hair, makeup, outfit, and all of that good stuff. So get seated with your popcorn, whatever you chill with, and enjoy this ride with me. So, as I was saying just now, why e be say I don't know why I'm switching from English to pidgin, but you guys, you're going to accept it like that. Okay. So I just don't know why people gravitate towards rubbish a lot. Like if you're doing something, okay, most of the times, if you do something meaningful, people don't really get interest in it. But when it is rubbish, it sells like a wildfire. So, before I get back into that again, I want to quickly introduce you guys to these makeup brushes I got from the TikTok shop. So, this is what I'm going to be getting ready with today. I've shown you guys the unboxing some time ago, but I haven't had time to, use it. So, that's basically all what I will be using in getting me ready today. And of course, I started with installing my hair. This hair is also from the TikTok shop. I would say 80% of everything I'll be using today, both my outfit and everything. Yeah, 80% is from the TikTok shop. Okay, take a note. And if you're interested in some of the items, please just go on to my TikTok page. The link to, I don't know if I'm going to share the link to some of the items on the screen, but just go onto my TikTok page and check my showcase. The items will be listed on there. Okay. Thank you very much. Because this video is going to be posted on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, and also on Instagram. So yeah. And that's it. Let's continue with the makeup. You guys have seen me do these a couple of times, and a lot of you guys requested that I should do more of makeup tutorial. I pray God give me the strength, God willing, that I am able to do more this year. And yeah, take a look at this beautiful angle. This is no angle brush. This is like a contour brush. And if you've been here for a while, you know I don't really fancy cream product except foundation. So I mostly use powder because my makeup is really, most of the time, really, really minimal. You get, today was that, rather, on this day, was that day I decided to do something glamorous. That was what I achieved. I told myself not to hold back. I told myself not to, what was the word? Not to do too less. You get, or not to play it safe. Yeah, that's the word. I told myself not to play it safe with this makeup today, and I went all in. So this is me basically filling in my eyebrows. I am mostly, or let's say 85% done with the skin prep, or rather the not prep, the skin work. So now I'm fixing my brows just to make sure it looks sleek, even though my brows looks flake like always. But then take a look at these brushes, you guys. Look at these eye brushes. Oh, so soft. You guys, I also have a link to these brushes on my showcase just in case you're interested. Look at that. The lashes I have on here as well is from the TikTok shop. Yes, we are, or rather, I'm one of the TikTok shop girlies. So back to what I was saying before regarding how people gravitate towards rubbish thing. I have been trying to grow my Facebook page. Like I have tried different techniques, different tactics, different different I have tried, but it seems it just keeps going down. You get some followers today, the other day it goes down. I was like, what else do I have to do? And then I came across a video today. Someone was, this is a big Facebook, how they take call them, this person has a large following on Facebook, and the person was kind of addressing their audience, saying, why is it that when they post rubbish, that is when they get the most engagement, the most view. That's when they do well the most. But when they post reasonable content, like they take time to actually produce, rather film a content, it doesn't do well as the other ones. Why is it like that? And I got to think of that too. I was like, I just don't know why. I don't know why people gravitate towards rubbish. Yeah, why? And it's even getting worse by the day. Yeah. Anyways, that aside, so I'm almost done with my makeup look or my getting ready. So this lip tint or lip liner is also from the TikTok shop. The link is on my TikTok on my showcase. Yeah. So now I'm just trying to fix my hair. This hair is a synthetic hair. I do have a con about this hair. Oh, I don't know if it's because it's too long. It gets easily tacky, and that was really annoying. But the hair is really pretty. It is soft. So, in regards to this lip tint, I kind of have a mixed feeling about it. Maybe because I didn't get a deeper shade, maybe it would have been better because I had to kind of top it up, or rather apply like two coats, you know. Anyways, so this is how far I've come, and it's time for me to wear my gorgeous dress, you guys. Oh my god, this dress is everything. So pretty. Take a look at that. It's also from the TikTok shop, by the way. So if you're interested, once again, please, it's on my showcase on the TikTok shop. Okay. So I got a size medium with a dress, and this bag also from the TikTok shop. My shoe is from Zara, and my shoe, my heel. Yeah, from Zara. Here, I almost forgot to add some accessories, and now that I did, I look stunning. So, yeah, my perfume is also from the TikTok shop, and this is it for the look, you guys. What do you guys think? Let me know your thought in the comment section below. If you love this video, give this video a big thumbs up, share, follow me on Facebook, follow me on everywhere you see me. Okay, that is if you like what I share. Okay. So this is basically it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I am wishing you guys happy new year once again. And yeah, this is it. Yeah, I will see you guys in another one. Until next time, stay beautiful and be blessed. Bye, y'all. Mwah.